my viewers. I'm going to be the cameraman today because Odin doesn't want to talk to me. All right, let's see if he's okay. Hi, Odin. What are you doing? No talking to you? Get out of here? Okay. Jeez. I wonder what's his attitude. Jeez. So I guess I'm just gonna... Ah! Did you just throw that rock at me? He's throwing rocks at me. He threw like 50 at me. Somebody... Hey, why are you throwing rocks at me? Hey, he's throwing like 5 rocks at a time at me. Hey, he's trying to kill me. Hey, Rockman, what you gonna do now? Rockman! Odin! He's calm now. Are you calm? Are you okay now,